So there's a lot of misinformation that goes around about the wholesaling real estate as a whole. And I want to hopefully start making some content or some videos, just kind of sharing my thoughts and opinions on kind of where the industry is and where it's going. And hopefully it helps. Hopefully it resonates some of you guys out there because I feel like a lot of people are seeing what's going on in the news with regulations and all these new disclosure laws and things that are banning wholesaling in these other states. And I want to kind of share, again, like I said, what my thoughts and feelings or opinions on why they're coming to fruition, why they're happening, why they're here, why they could be beneficial, why they could be detrimental, and kind of what we can do as a whole on this end, on our end, to necessarily stall them from occurring, but necessarily probably work better with them to make our industry better. Because if you've wholesaled real estate or you've done any kind of real estate investing, you know that there's a lot of unscrupulous people that just kind of go in and do some, I would say, some shady work when it comes to talking with sellers, talking with buyers, talking to other wholesalers, investors, and agents. That just it puts a bad flavor in everyone's mouth whenever they start hearing wholesaling in general. So this is just kind of my thoughts, my opinions. Take it with a grain of salt if you need to, but that's just my little disclaimer. I'm, you can read it down in the description below. I am not an attorney or anything like that. I'm just someone who wholesales real estate. I am a real estate investor, and I believe in this industry and why it's beneficial and why we need it. And I'm hoping to share this information with you. So I'm just sharing my thoughts and my opinions. It is up to you to form your own thoughts, your own opinions, and do your own research. So let's dive in here a little bit further and hopefully uncover, how we can be better in this business.